Real is all in. It doesn't cut corners or cut anything close to a little slack. Real is grease-stained, rust-covered, and frozen solid. It's not for the weak at heart or for the weak at all. Real is get it done now, not get it done whenever. Real is dedication, innovation, and perspiration. And at Ingersoll Rand, we get real. Real is what fuels our passion to create the very best tools on the market. Tools built to be smarter, safer, faster, and stronger. Tools that will always work as hard as you need them to so you can get the job done right. We make real tools for real work because that's what real life demands.